Okay, guys, here's a rendering of the kitchen, just looking at it in plan view first. Figuring for a pony wall to be built on the back of the peninsula, so the back of the cabinets would not have the shaker panel. So pantry wall first. These are 30 inches wide, adjustable shelving inside. They are 22 inches deep. These are 20 inches deep, these base cabinets, and then floating shelves. And the top of the cabinet would have a shaker crown that's scribed to the ceiling. The left side of this fridge leg would be a shaker panel. Your refrigerator, these are 26¼ inches deep. Lazy Susan cabinet with just an adjustable shelf on the inside. Drawer stack to the left, the apron sink. This is an L-shaped upper cabinet. Dishwasher to the right of the sink with an upper, even spacing here. Floating shelves, another Lazy Susan cabinet with a adjustable shelf inside. And then to the right of the range is a trash pullout. So there's two 50-quart containers that pull out inside there. So that's where we are at. All right, thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.